as you can see, my luck, I'm not gonna call it luck, my skill ran out. Because I was able to back up and do it again without touching this spot at all. But after a day of doing trails that were designed for, two-door Jeeps and stuff, we ran out of luck. So I wanted to fix this spot. I need to bend this back. I'm not going to try to bend this back to be perfect, but I don't want this massive gap here. There's a flange here, and it's designed to help keep dirt from getting inside. So on my home, stopped off at Harbor Freight, got a body repair kit, link there, and we're gonna try to get this thing back to not a perfect but reasonable place. Once again, if you haven't seen the video, it happened. I hope we have a video of it actually happening, otherwise I'm just gonna sit here doing this for a minute. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to do this mostly with some crescent wrenches, because it's mostly folding back. This side pushed in, which I'm not too angry at. Every one of our vehicles has been kissed by a tree. I'm not even angry at this side. Doors sealed, doors open perfectly fine. I just want to close this up because I can fit my hand in between here. That just seems like begging for dirt and nastiness to build up into. Let's get to it. Of course, the first one I I can't get to by any angle, so I'm going to flip around the other side, see if I can pry it open with the channel lock on the opposite side. So it looks like for most body damage, that kit I bought will probably work well. I happen to not have the body damage it's really designed for, so sad. I gotta figure out other random tools to do the job. The biggest thing is nothing wants to fit in this crease. So I'm just kind of find something to get a good grip and pull. Amazingly, the C-clamp is doing a decent job. I know I'm not gonna get that crease straight and put back right. I just know that. That's just never gonna happen. Or at least I'm not good enough to make it happen. I'm going to try to minimize scarring as I'll kind of tighten down to the width of it, then bend. Just work my way back to the original shape. A professional body repair guy's probably screaming at me, "You're doing this wrong, you're doing this wrong." But I am not. I'm probably, the fact I'm scuffing the paint up, getting all nasty. But let's see how it works when it closes. That's where it got a lot better, because I used to stick my whole hand in there. That might be about as good as I get. Let's see if I can do something with this bottom flange. If I can straighten that out to be somewhat covered, that should be pretty good. I'll show you an example of what's on the other side. Same spot, same line all the way through. Little flange comes out and right there. So I hit right here, rounded this out, and then came in. So I really can't even bring this all the way back out because I won't be able to clear the door now. Next one I'm working on is this guy here. I'm going to try to bend this up. I think that'll help pull this whole thing forward. I'm going to have to repaint this because that's body right there. I haven't had to do this much repair work on a body because luckily all my other tree kisses haven't gone through paint. Actually, I might use one of the tools that actually came with the kit. Even though it can't get anything in there. And like, it comes down to like a razor blade axe tip. I'm like, I know it's time to like punch this way, but I can't even get it in there to punch that way. I guess one of the things people do is like might pull it farther out than go back. Funny thing, I feel like I could have done most of this with my pry handle of my claw hammer. The jaw is too wide to get in there. I don't want to put too much force on that either because I don't want to bend this into the door. I think if I go around the side, I might be able to put a punch right here and punch it forward. And check the other side. So I think if I hit this all the way back, I'll have a new problem of the other side won't match. And I'll just be scooping dirt into it, so I gotta be careful on this thing. So I gotta fire a hammer right here, then fold that hinge back. I know I'm moving metal, but I'm moving it at a glacial speed. So I'm gonna keep doing this back and forward until I get this going. See this all here, this rib used to come all the way out. It was around, met with this one. So I don't know, I gotta figure out to do something with this, otherwise this is gonna constantly hit stuff. Try not to do anything else below this line because it's a different color, and we've figured a good close spray paint color matches this. I know I've closed it up significantly. I want to get that figured out. This is another question for, I guess, another time, but I'm here. Why the heck did I get a meat tenderizer with this thing? You can kind of see this side, but damn, I don't, damn. It hurts me to hit the outside. I don't know why it hurts me any different to hit the outside than the inside, but it is. This is actually starting to push it forward, amazingly. So I'm going to have to clean that up. I think that might be as good as I get. camera, you always sees me just bashing the side of my truck, but I'm rounding out this corner here. That's probably good. Now I'm gonna clean this up and paint it. Yeah, wire brush, I know. I'm trying to leave as much as I can, so I knock off the nasties. Do the same thing in here. I'm going to also get rubbing alcohol and wipe it down. Oh. Let me tape off this bottom part. Probably tape. Actually, I'm just supposed to take off the bottom because this is all silver. I want to have anything fade out, so self-etch primer, respots. Let's sit for a minute. Hit the silver, then hit it with the clear coat on top. There we go. So once again, not trying to be a show queen. I don't want to get this thing with, I guess, the automotive version of cancer. I don't want the rust all over it. Actually using my repair kit for something good. There you go. I'm gonna feather it a little bit so. Oh man. Okay. One downside I just found out, this thing is metallic, so it has a bit of a clog tip. I gotta clear it out. Here we go again. So it'll be shinier, but when I take the clear coat, it'll do a pretty good job at unshining it. Just kind of melding it in. So I'm going to try to fade it out so it's not horrible. Actually, that's not horrible. Not great, not horrible. There we go. Wooden picked up. Over silver corner. Now I'm going to take off the tape before it dries all the way. using the clear kind of meld the edges up. You can't probably see it in the camera, but it's a decent job. Rattle can paint repair really buy me. Realistically, probably buys me a few years before I have to think would actually get in the vehicle properly actually repainted. It's got other holes and stuff like that, so you know, if paint starts peeling other places, yeah, sure, but I'm not going to do it for a ding, probably the first of many. So I'm pretty satisfied where it's at right now.